Hey everyone, welcome back to Corporate Dakota, the place where we decode the secrets hidden within corporate filings, and today we might just uncover a few surprises. Alright, let's dive into what Lightbridge Corporation is telling us this time around. They've just announced their earnings for the quarter that ended on June 30th, 2025, and as always with these things, the devil is often in the details. They're giving us the rundown on their financial health, and we're here to break it down for you, no jargon, just the straight facts. First up, the basics. Lightbridge Corporation, a company incorporated in Nevada, is making its official report. This isn't just a random update, it's a formal document filed with the authorities detailing important events. Now, what exactly are they trading? Their main offering is common stock, and you can find their shares on the Nasdaq Stock Market LLC under the ticker symbol LTBR. This is how you can track their performance in the public eye. The core of this filing is about their results of operations and financial condition. Essentially, they're telling us how the company has been doing financially. Lightbridge Corporation issued a press release on August 11, 2025 to share these results for the quarter ending in June. Think of it as their official report card, and we're going to see if they got any gold stars. This particular filing is mainly about a press release. You know how companies put out press releases to announce good news or sometimes to put a positive spin on not so good news. Well, this is that official announcement and it's being shared with us as Exhibit 99.1. It details their performance for the quarter that wrapped up on June 30th. While these kinds of announcements are often upbeat, we're going to look beyond the surface to see what the numbers truly reveal. Scroll Exhibit 9099 scroll, and here it is, Exhibit 99.1. The press release itself, this is the document that holds the key financial figures. While the filing doesn't include the actual financial tables directly within this text, it points us to this press release as the source of truth for their quarterly performance. It's important to note that information furnished in this way isn't considered officially filed in the same way as some other parts of these reports. This distinction matters because it means they are informing us, but not necessarily taking full legal responsibility for it being part of their official long-term historical data yet. Scroll by eyes, Seth Gray scroll. Signing off on this report is Seth Gray, who holds the esteemed titles of President and Chief Executive Officer. When the top brass puts their name on the line, it signifies their approval and belief in the information being presented. It's his job to steer the ship, and this report is a snapshot of how that ship is sailing. Now, let's talk about what this all means for Lightbridge Corporation. Since the filing itself doesn't contain the detailed financial tables, we're relying on the referenced press release. However, based on how these reports are structured, this August 11th announcement would have contained the critical numbers for the quarter ending June 30th. We'd typically be looking for revenue growth or decline, profits or losses, and how much cash they have on hand. Without those specific numbers here, it's hard to do a deep financial dive, but we can infer the company is reporting on its income and financial standing. Think about it this way. A company like Lightbridge, especially in technology or a specialized sector, needs to show consistent progress to keep investors happy and attract new ones. If their revenue is up, that's usually a good sign. If their expenses are managed well and they're making a profit, that's even better. But if they're losing money, we'd want to know why. Is it because they're investing heavily in new products, which could be a good long-term strategy? Or are they simply struggling to compete? The fact that they're filing a Form 8K specifically for results of operations means something significant happened or was announced. Companies don't furnish these reports lightly. It's usually to update the market on crucial performance indicators. Now, if we had the actual numbers from that press release, we'd be comparing them to previous periods. For instance, was revenue up 10% compared to the same quarter last year? That would mean they're growing. Or did profits shrink by 20%? That might signal trouble, like losing $1 out of every $5 of profit they made before. We'd also look at their cash flow, which is like the company's checking account. A healthy cash flow means they can pay their bills and invest in the future. In the absence of those specific figures here, our analysis is more general. Lightbridge is operating in what markets? What are the industry trends? Are they keeping pace with competitors? In the tech world, innovation is key, and companies that don't adapt quickly can fall behind. Even if they report positive numbers, we'd want to know if that growth is sustainable or just a temporary bump. What we can say for sure is that on August 11th, 2025, Lightbridge Corporation communicated important financial information to the public. This is a standard part of corporate transparency, ensuring shareholders and potential investors have access to key updates. If we were to put on our Warren Buffett hat, we'd be asking, does this company have a strong competitive advantage? Is its management team competent and honest? Are its earnings predictable? While this filing itself doesn't give us all those answers, it's the starting point. The press release it references would be the place to find the concrete data to answer those questions. In conclusion, this Form 8K filing serves as notification that Lightbridge Corporation has shared its financial and operational results for the quarter ending June 30, 2025 via a press release. While the filing itself is brief on specifics here, it directs us to that crucial external document. What's your take on these types of filings and what Lightbridge might be signaling? Let me know in the comments below. If you found this explanation helpful, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to Corporate Decoder for more insights into the world of business and finance. And don't forget to join our Discord community linked in the video description for more in-depth discussions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.